Keeping pool water fresh is hard. That's why so many pool owners are flipping for Flippin Frog. We've made fresh easy, so you can spend more time having fun. How easy? Just compare Flippin Frog to ordinary pool maintenance. To keep your water fresh, you have to lug buckets of chlorine. Flippin Frog creates fresh mineral water with minerals and half the chlorine of standard water treatments. That's a big savings right there. And hey, that's not even counting what you save due to the fact that fresh mineral water doesn't fade your swimsuits. Not only is there a lot less chlorine, you don't have to lug it, phew, or even touch it, phew. With Flippin Frog, everything comes preloaded in 2 convenient cartridges. Then there's the constant monitoring. With ordinary pools, you can't relax. You're always measuring pH and adding chlorine. With Flippin Frog, when it's time to replace a cartridge, and here's the cool part, it flips. Best of all, Flippin Frog creates fresh mineral water, water that's cleaner, clearer, and softer. Add easier and more economical to that list, and for less work and more fun times, nothing compares to Flippin Frog.